Okay, so what I have here is a cooling fan removed from a 2016 Volvo S60, and for some reason it stopped working. So I removed it and I tested the module. It looks like the module is not working, and at this moment I don't have exact the same fan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this fan, and what I'm thinking happened, this fan is spinning hard, so it's not as easy to spin this one than this fan that we have here. So I have a dual fan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swap the large fan from the dual setup right here. So I'm gonna use this fan in that shroud, in the single shroud. So for now I ordered exact the same assembly. However, it's gonna be a few days and we need a car. So I'm gonna remove this fan and then install it on that other shroud, and I'm gonna use a module I have extra, the single setup module, this one. So I'm gonna use one of these and we will see, and it should be okay for now until we get the exact same fan assembly. So it's always good to test first. So it's good to plug in the module if this is the case, and then usually the module would go bad because of the resistance on the fan. So this one is spinning easily and the other one is harder to spin, so something happened to it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now, and we'll see how it's gonna work. Okay, so here's I removed the fan assembly from a 2016 S60. We don't know the reason. The fan just stopped working, so I removed it, and it can be removed without removing the radiator support, so it can be slide out. So it does slides out, and right now I'm gonna install the replacement. So I'm gonna slide it in, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I installed the fan, and right now it is not running. The AC is off. I'm gonna turn on the AC and we'll see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna turn on AC right there. We'll see. And the fan is working. I used dual module for dual fans because that's the only one I had. So this is a temporary setup, but it is working fine. So until I get the correct fan and correct module, I'm gonna use this one. So luckily I had another fan, the dual setup. So I used the large fan and I used the module, and it's working. So this is good news, so we can use the car. And if anyone have the same problem, first is the best is to check the module, but usually I think that because the resistance on the motor, that's why the fan, I mean the module broke. So yeah, both probably have to be replaced.